Okay, guys, it is the time for the $500 trading tips, and we'll be checking this out right here in this video. However, before I go fully into it, in case you are joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. And if you love the content you are getting from here, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video and share this video with friends and family. Okay, so quickly, these are the assets that we'll be checking out. Everything I'll be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I will be using. The performance also depends on when you are seeing this video. If you're not joining me live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on the charts before you can follow up with the analysis. Okay, so quickly, let's go straight into what we have right here, starting with GainX 1200. Remember, if you have any question, can you drop your question down there in the comment section? Okay, so guys, this had been, it was on 100 on uptrend before, but after getting to the resistance, it was unable to go above that, so it started a downtrend. So we expect it to sell more, but after getting to this region, it had a pullback. Okay, if it is done with the pullback, okay, let's see if it breaks out above this, sorry, uh above this, okay, then definitely it should be getting to somewhere here. Okay, so and of course, if it's unable to break out from there, to continue with the downtrend and even sell more. Okay, so we expect it to sell more right from there once it is done with the pullback. Okay, so this is still buying at the moment, even though it might not be for a very long time before it will start selling. Okay, so the next asset is going to be GainX 999. Remember, I'm still on 15-minute time frame using the 3M trend Milka trading indicator to do my analysis right from here. This had been on uptrend right from here. It got to this resistance zone, was unable to break out from there. So it's trying to go back on downtrend right from there. Okay. However, you should watch out for it because this might also be a pullback. Okay, but we expect more selling opportunity than a buying opportunity, except if it breaks out above this resistance zone, that is when it's going to buy more. But for now, it is still selling. Next asset is going to be Paynex 1200. This is Paynex 1200. It was on downtrend before, but after getting to this support region, it started an uptrend and it bought till it got to this particular um region. Okay, so right from there, it has not been able to break out from there, so it's selling at this moment, even though this might not be for a very long time before it will continue with the uptrend, except if it breaks out fully from this particular support zone, that is when it's going to sell more. Okay, so this is buying at the moment, sorry, selling at the moment until it is unable to break out from there. That is when it's going to buy more. Okay, so we should understand that. Okay, next asset is going to be Paynex 999. This is Paynex 999. It has been on uptrend for a while, so it's trying to go back on downtrend. If it breaks out below this, then it's going to sell more. So I expect more of a selling opportunity right from there. Okay, now the last asset is going to be FX volume 80. Let's check it out together. This is FX volume 80. This has been on uptrend for a while, got to this particular region, had a pullback, and of course it's still trying to see if it's going to break out above the resistance. So if it breaks out above it, it's going to buy more. If it does not, it will go back on downtrend, but for now it is buying until it is unable to break out from there. Okay, so this is all that we have for you guys tonight. All you just need to do is just for you to understand every part of the analysis and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. For those of you who are here to perfect your trading skill, kindly go back to my channel, watch my training videos, practice very well on your demo account before trying them out on your real account. And if you love my content, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video and share this video with friends and family. Thank you.